The rain is coming, guys. Ah, here it comes, guys. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. You see the rain, guys? We'll go to the garden. You see, guys? Oh, the rain is coming, guys. The puppies. Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies. Ah, look at the rain, guys. Look. See that? Come on, let's look at the garden. Let's look at the garden in the rain. See how the shade cloth? See how the shade cloth really... It's like, it's only like a mist in here with the rain. It's just like a mist. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like a mist. Ah, you see? You see, guys, the shade cloth? How it just mists in here? It just takes all the rain and just... Oh, here's a frog. You see that? Huh? See that? Eh? See that, guys? It's just misting. It's just... See how that shade cloth works, guys? Here's the papaya again. You see the eggplant? Hey! That's slippery! Slippery, guys! It's raining. Woo! I don't know what happened to these. See that? I don't know why it's wilting. I'm wet. I'm wet, guys. Here's our compost. Rainy days. Ah, you see this, the rice? I see blue sky. Puppies! This is house of Dodoy. This is mango tree. Yep, just another day in a thunderstorm. This is walking from the garden. Purok Piniswagan. Yeah guys, I got my electric bill today. 10,600 because of my water pump and my aircon. Last month it was 9,000. Went up a little bit. What? Oh, here, see the water? Huh? There's the house I built. Huh, it was just small rain. Small. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Here's my volcano. There's my house. There's my water heater. There's my dogs. My dogs, my puppy dogs. Hey guys. Okay, watch and subscribe. Thanks. Comment.